Hello, and welcome to Week 17 of the 2025 to 2026 season. First up, Cowboys against the Commanders. Dak Prescott against Josh Johnson. I'm going with the Cowboys over the Commanders. Up next, Lions against the Vikings. Jared Goff against Max Brosmer. I'm going with the Lions over the Vikings. Up next, Broncos against the Chiefs. Bo Nix against Chris Oladokun. I'm going with the Broncos over the Chiefs. Up next, Texans against the Chargers. C.J. Stroud against Justin Herbert. I'm going with the Texans over the Chargers. Up next, Ravens against the Packers. Lamar Jackson against Malik Willis. I'm going with the Ravens over the Packers. Next up, Buccaneers versus the Dolphins. Baker Mayfield against Quinn Ewers. I'm taking the Bucs over the Dolphins. Next up, Patriots versus the Jets. Drake May against Brady Cook. I'm taking the Patriots over the Jets. Up next, Steelers against the Browns. Aaron Rodgers against Shedeur Sanders. I'm going with the Steelers over the Browns. Next up, Jaguars versus the Colts. Trevor Lawrence against Philip Rivers. I'm taking the Jags over the Colts. Up next, Saints against the Titans. Tyler Shaw against Cam Ward. I'm going with the Saints over the Titans. Up next, Seahawks against the Panthers. Sam Darnold against Bryce Young. I'm going with the Seahawks over the Panthers. Next up, Cardinals versus the Bengals. Jacoby Brissett against Joe Burrow. I'm taking the Bengals over the Cardinals. Up next, Giants against the Raiders. Jackson Dart against Geno Smith. I'm going with the Giants over the Raiders. Next up, Eagles versus the Bills. Jalen Hurts against Josh Allen. I'm taking the Bills over the Eagles. Up next, Bears against the 49ers. Caleb Williams against Brock Purdy. I'm going with the Niners over the Bears. And finally, we got the Rams against the Falcons. Matthew Stafford against Kirk Cousins. I'm going with the Rams over the Falcons. Recap: Cowboys, Lions, Broncos, Texans, Ravens, Buccaneers, Patriots, Steelers, Jaguars, Saints, Seahawks, Bengals, Giants, Bills, 49ers, and Rams. That's all for now. That's all for this week. See you next week. End of video.